Planning a trip to Dubai and Abu Dhabi. These two cities offer luxury, culture, and unforgettable experiences. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the most amazing places you must visit in Dubai and Abu Dhabi. Let's start with Dubai, a city known for modern architecture and luxury lifestyle. Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world, offers breathtaking views from the observation deck. Right next to it is Dubai Mall, one of the largest shopping malls on earth, featuring an indoor aquarium and endless entertainment. Another must-visit attraction is Palm Jumeirah, an artificial island famous for luxury resorts and stunning skyline views. Dubai is not only about skyscrapers. A desert safari is one of the most exciting experiences, with dune bashing, camel rides, and beautiful sunset views. For relaxation, Jumeirah Beach offers crystal clear water and stunning views of Burj Al Arab. Now, let's explore Abu Dhabi, the capital of the UAE, and a city rich in culture and tradition. Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque is one of the most beautiful mosques in the world, known for its white marble design and peaceful atmosphere. The Louvre Abu Dhabi is a world-class museum that blends art, history, and modern architecture. Another highlight is Qasr Al Watan, a stunning presidential palace that showcases Emirati heritage. For entertainment lovers, Yas Island is a perfect destination, featuring Ferrari World, Warner Brothers World, and Yas Water World. The best time to visit Dubai and Abu Dhabi is from November to March, when the weather is pleasant and ideal for sightseeing.
Dubai and Abu Dhabi offer a perfect mix of luxury, adventure, and culture. If you found this guide helpful, like the video, share it, and subscribe for more travel content.